Now let's see this question. F of x equal to x square minus 9 divided by x minus 3 when x is not equal to 3, and it is equal to 3 when x equal to 3. Now we are supposed to check the continuity at x equal to 3, which means we should say whether it is this function is continuous or not at a point. Now how to find it out? There are various definitions. According to the first definition, you can check this, right? So what is it? If you are talking about a point A, then you should check whether the function value at that point is equal to the limit x tends to a f of x. You can check whether this is equal or not. If these two are equal, we can say that it is continuous. If these two are not equal, we can say that it is not continuous, right? So what is it? The function value at a point A and the function value as we approach the point A, right? So if we have to compare these 2 points. Now f of A is nothing but in this case f of 3, because that is the point we are looking at, and f of 3 is already given as 3. So from this, right, when x equal to 3, this value is 3, so I written as 3. Now what about the other one? Limit x tends to 3 x square minus 9 by x minus 3. We have to find it out. Since it is going to be infinity by infinity form, right? See, if I put 3 there, it is going to be 0 by 0 form, right? It is going to be 0 by 0 form. So I am going to convert it to factorization. So what is factorization? I am just writing it like this, and then I can cancel out these two. Now it is no more in 0 by 0 form. Now we got x plus 3. Now limit x tends to 3, x plus 3 is nothing but 6. Got it? Now if you observe it, one thing is we got f of a as 3, and other thing is limit x tends to a f of x as 6. Now these two are not equal. Now what can we say? This function is not continuous at x equal to 3, right? So this function is discontinuous at x equal to 3, which means it is not continuous. Okay, so discontinuous means it is not continuous at x equal to 3. Okay, fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177. And IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply. And statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.